Squad! Run your mouth, you run your mouth. We had a new idea. The Uber truck. What's it called? The Uber. The Uber! What up? So what our main adventure is really is moving this couch over to one of the homegirls' houses, and we're gonna go swimming and whatnot. But I guess we're getting a lot of looks, so we're gonna put this on YouTube and see what the outcome turns like. Look at the cop was right there. Hopefully he didn't see us. And even if not, we're in Tucson, Arizona. I don't think it's illegal anyways, so we're good.